Hi, welcome. I hope everything is fine today and you are in a good mood. If you want to improve yourself, determine a direction in your life or clarify your career plans, the topic we will talk about today can be very helpful to you. You may have heard its name before, SWOT analysis. Yes, it may sound a bit technical, but it can actually be adapted very well to our daily lives. Today, we will talk about how we can use it for our own career plans. Grab your tea or coffee, let's take a calm walk together. What is SWOT analysis? First, what does SWOT mean? SWOT consists of the first letters of 4 English words. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. This analysis is actually a method used by companies when doing strategic planning, but it is also incredibly useful for individuals. It helps us understand both our internal situation and our external environment, especially when doing career planning. In short, what am I good at? What do I have difficulty with? What opportunities can I take advantage of? And what kind of threats await me? 1. Determine your strengths. Now honestly ask yourself this question: what am I good at? This is actually an area that everyone can be proud of. Maybe you can think analytically, maybe your interpersonal skills are very strong or you learn very fast. These are your strengths. Your certificates, the languages you know, the software you use, or your previous achievements are also included in this list. The trick here is, put modesty aside and be objective. Because this list is the foundation of the tools that will take you forward. 2. See weaknesses with honestness. Now let's come to the more difficult part, weaknesses. Most of the time we don't want to face it, but this is where development comes from. For example, do you have trouble with time management? Do you have difficulty completing projects or are shy in teamwork? Or maybe you lack technical skills. The important point here is, this is not a minus list. This is your personal development plan. If you know your weaknesses, you will know how to transform them over time. And remember, everyone has weaknesses. You don't have to be perfect, just be aware. 3. Discover opportunities. Now let's look at the outside world. What opportunities are there that will develop you? For example, fast-growing sectors, free online trainings, internship and volunteer programs, new technologies, or you may have the chance to connect with people you look up to in your career. Sometimes even a LinkedIn message can turn into an opportunity. The most important thing here is awareness. If you are someone who does active research and looks at your surroundings openly, opportunities await you. And these opportunities usually come to those who are ready. 4. Don't ignore threats, be prepared. Finally, threats. Although they may sound a bit negative, they are actually important not to discourage you, but to help you be prepared. For example, job opportunities may be shrinking in the field you graduated from. Or artificial intelligence is transforming some areas of work. Maybe there are very few positions suitable for your career in the city you live in. When you realize such threats, your solution-finding process begins. You can develop alternative plans, acquire new skills, or consider a change of field. The aim here is not pessimism, but strategic thinking. SWOT analysis is actually like an honest conversation with yourself. What am I good at? Where can I improve? What paths are open to me? And what awaits me? These 4 headings provide you with a direction map. And not just for today. If you repeat this analysis at regular intervals, you can track your development very clearly. If you have never done a SWOT analysis before, open a small notebook after this video and write these 4 headings for yourself. Is that okay? Think, write, do a simple but deep analysis. And if you want, write a few lines of your own SWOT table in the comments, we can talk about it together. Take care of yourself, be aware of your development, and enjoy your journey. See you in the next video.